Microsoft Excel's formula completion is one of my favorite features that rolled out last year. It is currently January of 2026. Just to be clear, this is only available right now in Excel for the web. You need an M365 Copilot license, and it is for beta users only right now. The reason I love it so much is you just press the equal symbol and Excel figures out the function for you. And 90% of the time, this has been right for me. This one's going to be a really difficult one. What I have in column C is a bunch of customer addresses. The issue is if you look at cell C2, the zip code happens to be at the very beginning of it. C3, the zip code sits in the middle. And in cell C4, we have the zip code all the way at the far end. I need to extract the zip code from every one of those addresses. I can't use text before, I can't use text after because the zip codes are all over the place. This is probably going to be a REGEXEXTRACT. Let's give it a shot. I'm in cell D2 right now. All I'm going to do on the keyboard is press equal. Let's see if it can't figure it out. Before I hit equal, really important, in D1, I typed in zip code. You need to let Excel know what you're trying to find so it can help you out. So I do equal. Let's let it work. There you go, REGEXEXTRACT C2. It is putting a boundary. The letter D means the number or a digit between 0 and 9. And then I'm telling it 5 digits, and then the boundary's closing, and a couple optional arguments there at the end. But you can see on my screen right now that it is pulling out 38412 from cell C2. Press enter on the keyboard. Crosshairs, double click, fill it down. Always go and check some of this 29483 51239. Let's go to the bottom here. Looking really good here with REGEXEXTRACT. How about that for Excel formula completion right there? I hope you enjoyed this video. This file will be available on my blog post. I'm also going to put a link to Microsoft's blog where they talk about formula completion and a link to all my other videos. Appreciate your time. My Excel online training is available along with Teams, Copilot, and OneNote. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.